Hello friends, welcome to Scientific Island. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gaseous. But I say that there is a fourth state of matter. Yeah, really, I'm gonna say a secret that even your elementary teachers never said to you. Plasma. But what is plasma? Let's check it. Today we have a very special guest. We have Nathan Temple from his channel Nathan's Scientific Stuff. He gonna explain what is plasma briefly, and also he would also explain how to make plasma at home. If you are a child, don't try it at home. If you want to try under parents' supervision. If you are an adult, you must try it because it is very easy. Nathan, I give it to you.
Alright, welcome back to another science video, and thank you to Scientific Alan for having me here today. Today we're going to be talking about plasma. Now, plasma is another state of matter that a lot of people aren't as familiar with as the other three, those being solid, liquid, and gas. Alright, so basically how this works, right, is you've got a solid, you heat it up, turns into a liquid. You got a liquid, you heat it up, it turns into a gas. Well, what happens when you heat a gas up? Well, it turns into plasma. Basically what plasma is superheated gas. Now this gas actually has some unique properties, one of those being that it's highly conductive. This is because when you heat up the gas, it actually ionizes. This means that some of the electrons are freed to move around, and that means that your atoms or your gas or your molecules or whatever, right? They become ions, and then there are free electrons moving around, which makes it highly conductive. In fact, fire is actually a type of plasma itself, although it's fairly weak. Another thing that's important here is the density. This usually refers to the electron density, and that's pretty much how many free electrons there are moving per amount of gas you have. So regular fire like this, it's not really hot enough to ionize a lot of the atoms in there, but it does happen. And if you've ever seen that fire is actually very conductive, that's why, because it's actually a form of plasma. Alright, now to actually ionize this gas fully, or maybe not as fully, but just to make our plasma more dense than ordinary fire, what we're going to do is microwave it in this microwave oven. I've actually switched from that candle to this match in here because it'll burn a little hotter. So get this keyed up, light this. Alright. And microwave it. There you go. Now this isn't actually very good for the microwave, so I'm not going to do it too much, but there, you'll see that produced quite a bit of plasma. Quite dense stuff, actually. It's gone and burned the entire match. Now that isn't very good for the microwave, so I'm not going to do that too much, but it's just a quick demonstration how you can make plasma at home. Pretty easy, pretty interesting too. So yeah.
Thank you, Nathan. It was really amazing that you have shown us how to make plasma with using a matchstick at home. Plasma is amazing, but you don't know what is plasma is. So I'm gonna explain it in Nathan's channel. So please check it out tomorrow. Means on Sunday he will upload the video. I will meet you in his channel, and make sure to subscribe his channel so that you may not miss that video. And for more scientific videos,
Stay tuned with Scientific Alan.
if you like this video, press the like button. For more scientific videos, click here to subscribe me. If you like Nathan's scientific stuff, subscribe him by clicking here. And for my other videos, click here to watch them. And thanks for watching.